Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best saute pans for braising that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Saute Pans for Braising. Our top pick for performing saute pan is the Calphalon Contemporary Hard Anodized Aluminum Non-Stick Cookware because of its large capacity, durability, and ease of use. You can place it in the dishwasher, so it's low maintenance. And it's designed for optimal safety and comfort when handling it. You might be thinking that having the top saute pan is only important. Number 5. Green Life Everyday Value 5QT Ceramic Non-Stick Jumbo Saute Pan. Thermal unhealthy ceramic non-stick coating manufactured without fizz and PFOA. Sturdy aluminum body without lead and cadmium. Main features: oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe. Stay cool Bakelite handle. Number 4. Rachael Ray Bright's Hard Anodized Non-Stick Saute Pan. Oven safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-stick pan is dishwasher safe for convenience and works great with many other pieces in the Rachael Ray collections. Main features: lifetime warranty, extra capacity, enhanced non-stick cookware. Number 3. Tefal Dishwasher Safe Cookware Fry Pan. The ring around the spot turns solid red to show when pans are perfectly preheated and ready for ingredients to be added. Proper preheating is key to sealing in flavor. Main features: lifetime limited warranty, durable non-stick, heat mastery system. Number 2. Tefal Specialty Non-Stick 5-Quart Jumbo Cooker Saute Pan. Riveted handles and even heat bases. Stay cool handles are comfortable and secure. Even heat bases ensure superior heat distribution for perfect results every meal. Main features: lifetime limited warranty, heat mastery system, thermal spot indicator. Number 1. Calphalon Contemporary Hard Anodized Saute Pan. Saute-use pan has 2 loop handles for easy handling. Pans and covers are also oven safe, making it ideal for finishing a gourmet dish. Main features: interior includes 3 layers. Full lifetime warranty. Heavy gauge aluminum construction. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.